If your Spectrum modem is blinking white and red, it means there's an internet connection problem. A blinking white light indicates the modem is trying to connect to Spectrum's network, while a red light signals a connection failure. This combination often means the modem is stuck in a boot loop or can't authenticate with Spectrum's servers. This is often due to upstream issues like loose cables, damaged lines, or ISP side outages, but it is rarely due to hardware failure. Outages, cable interference, modem overheating, or firmware glitches can also cause this issue. First, check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure. Next, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for at least 3 minutes before plugging it back in. Spectrum's app also has integrated diagnostics, which allows users to run self-tests remotely and may identify the problem. If these steps don't work, there may be an outage in your area. You can check the Spectrum app for outages. If the issue persists, contact Spectrum support for further assistance, as it could indicate a more complex problem requiring professional intervention or hardware replacement. Some updates to modems may also cause widespread red blinking. Check the Spectrum app or online to see if there are any known issues being reported.